Hey guys, welcome to another episode of HomeGrow. Happy New Year, and I hope all you guys had a great break. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the best three-part nutrients available for hydroponics. But first, we just want to give a shout out to HomeGrow, who we've recently sponsored. Now, many of you guys know HomeGrow. He provides great information for anyone who's interested in hydroponics, aquaponics, permaculture, to even building out his own hydroponic systems. So definitely check out his channel if you haven't already. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, we always give away the products from our videos, so be sure to stick to the end. Over the past month, we've always been talking to our customers on which nutrients have been one of their most preferred brands, and turns out it was Emerald Harvest. So we wanted to know why, and what we heard was that using Emerald Harvest gave their plants stronger flavor profiles, a more potent aroma, and it also gave them a denser yield. We thought, why not go through the Emerald Harvest 3-part Kickstarter kit, which includes the base nutrients, Grow, Micro and Bloom, and also the 4 additives, the Emerald Goddess, King Cola, Honeycomb, and Root Wizard. This Kickstarter kit will give both a beginner and experienced grower all they need for their plants. Now, we all know base nutrients are the most essential, but the reason why our customers have used Emerald Harvest is because they offer high levels of chelated micronutrients. Now, chelation means more the nutrients that you feed your crops actually get used as food for your plants, rather than binding to the growing medium or running to waste. Chelates also help balance and extend the pH levels of your micronutrients. Now, for the additives included, the first is King Cola, which is a bloom booster. Helps you get bigger yields in harvest. Now, a lot of brands out there separate the bloom boosters for early, mid, and flowering. However, King Cola is an all-in-one product, helping you save money. With Honeycomb, you're going to get a stickier harvest with better smell and flavors, and also richer colors. Emerald Goddess is the plant tonic, which will help speed up chemical reactions within your plants to improve shoot development, root growth, and overall yields. And last but not least, Root Wizard, which is going to help your plants absorb all the nutrients more so that you can develop stronger roots and reduce nutrient wastage. You can grab this kit on HomeGrow for $399. For more information, check the description below. Just to prove it to you guys, we're going to give away this 3-part kit for you guys to try it out. And we're also going to give away the 2-part kit as well. So 2 lucky participants will win this. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.